Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Fresh Baked Disney, the best of Disney baked fresh daily. I'm your host, David. And this is my wife, Liz, and we're in the crossroads between downtown Disney, approaching the Disneyland Hotel because we've got a special little adventure for you this morning. Last week, 2 weeks ago, we took you through the Fantasy Tower at the Disneyland Hotel, and we took you through a little tour of the lobby and all the little nostalgia that they have in there. And that was a lot of fun.
Oh my gosh, I want to go back and look at all of it.
This week we have a completely different experience for you. We're going to the Adventure Tower. And though they have there's nothing in the lobby of the Adventure Tower.
Oh, how sad.
They do have an e-ticket lounge on the 11th floor, and a friend of Fresh Baked and a very kind muffin, Daniella Mosbrucker, has a room and access to the e-ticket lounge. So we're going to go meet her. We're going to have some breakfast, maybe some mimosas. And we're going to show you around the e-ticket lounge a little bit and show you the views of downtown Disney from there, which is even better at night. I wish we were there at night, but they're fantastic.
Next time.
But so come with us, guys. Let's go see the e-ticket lounge. The Disneyland Hotel. Love that sign. Do you know how many people try to appropriate that sign on their own, like when they do videos about the history of Disneyland, or you see that it says like Disneyland history or whatever instead of the hotel? Everybody uses that font and that sign. We have a shirt that says Fresh Baked like that.
Yeah, it's like one of the best fonts I think in the world.
It's great.
Disneyland font, pretty much.
Okay, Adventure Tower is this one right here, I think, right?
I think so.
We were just here last week at the Tangaroa Terrace, getting some overpriced appetizers and drinks.
Pretty much, yeah.
Right?
Yep. I think that's just really, you go there to get drunk.
And hang out with your friends. Adventure Tower.
Maybe get some snacks.
Well, I guess they do have something. They've got these little maquettes down here from the Jungle Cruise. Who's this guy? Is that one of those long-necked giraffes? Or no, long-necked cheetahs. How did I mess that up? I think that is a long-necked cheetah. And there's Squirt. This guy's still got his trunks on.
Let's go on Jungle Cruise now.
I know we should, huh? He's gonna hurt himself. You poke your eye out, kid. Wow. It says here that in the early days of animation, Disney artists created three-dimensional sculptures to aid animators in their drawings and sketches. Maquettes. That's fascinating.
It's cute. Like it's I don't think it's as,
No. Is there more
elaborate like the Frontier one.
Certainly not the Frontier model.
But the palm trees are enough.
Or the nostalgic lobby of the Fantasy.
Nice. I don't think I've ever been inside Adventure.
This looks very retro also.
Oh my god, it's so 60s.
Oh wait, I want to go see that painting over here.
I swear 60s?
I know, right?
Freaking interior design.
Yeah, it was fantastic.
I think that's what my dad's going to make his vacation home, which is all 60s.
Palm Springs is still stuck in the 60s. Yeah.
I love Palm Springs.
Here you go, Jungle Cruise.
It looks like, no. Oh, it's like Indiana Jones.
Yeah, well,
And Jungle Cruise.
The two, when they built Indy, the attempt was to bring the two together. Now, before we go to the e-ticket lounge, we're going to take this elevator up to one of the suites, one of the rooms at the Disneyland Hotel. It's a fairly standard room. This one that we're looking at now goes for $560 a night retail. Usual, amenities included. Some Disney touches. Lots of artwork. I mean, that's pretty much the extent of the theming, though. The art. Here's another one of Walt. It's a bathroom. I mean, it's not the Grand Californian, but still priced like it, though. $560, my goodness. Here's one little piece of fun Disney theming. That's your light fixture. And here's a view. This is a standard view from the suite. It does not face downtown Disney. It faces the pool and Tangaroa Terrace there on the left. And that's Goofy's kitchen there in center frame, and the Fantasy Tower on the right. Now let's go to the e-ticket club. You have to have a card to get in there. It's not open to everyone. Kind of typical setup for, like a continental breakfast, though it's a little bit more variety at this breakfast. It's not the kind that you'd get at, a Travelodge. The cheeses were delicious. You got some lunch meats, smoked salmon. Oatmeal, cereal, coffee, the usual stuff in that regard. And yes, those are Mickey-shaped watermelon slices. They have a fridge that Liz is going to show us, stock full of sodas and tomato juice that you could take with you after you're done. There's my plate. Mickey-shaped waffle, croissant, and a Mickey watermelon. That's Liz's breakfast. It's kind of, if it gets busy, it can get a little bit crowded in here. But at this point in the morning, it was still fairly, comfortable. There's your view. Mimosas for everyone. Cheers. Thank you, Daniela. Out of picture. As I mentioned, now here there's a lot of art again. Some maquettes, some sculptures. I'm not sure what you would describe these as. Fun to look at. Lots of pictures of Walt. And those signs describing the food, those little tags, those are, vintage Disneyland ticket style tags. There's Mary Blair. Lots of attraction posters. More pictures of Walt on the mine train. There's the old mine train ride as it goes around the rivers of America. Here's one of the little tabletops that you can sit at and eat your breakfast on while getting this view of downtown Disney. That's Disneyland on your left. You can see the Matterhorn way off in the distance. And then you can get a better view of California Adventure as we focus in on the Incredicoaster. There it goes. Whee! The Incredicoaster and the Pixar Pal around. I always love seeing the park from these kinds of perspectives and trying to imagine how much fun everybody's having. Oh, Goofy Sky School. They're scared. Now, before we go, I wanted to show you guys a little something extra. The e-ticket lounge is on this sort of nondescript 11th floor in this hall. Fairly average looking, but among these are such fantastic suites as this one here, the Fairytale Suite, which is behind these two doors. They're just amazing. We didn't get to go in, but that's the Fairytale Suite right there. That's what's inside. Magnificent. And there's more, guys. There's more. This is the Mickey Mouse penthouse behind these two doors. Wow. Right? I mean, wow. Fantastic. Got another one right over here. Across the way is the Adventureland Suite. Very nicely done. These doors just stand out. And there's a look inside the Adventureland Suite. You've also got a Pirates of the Caribbean suite. Couldn't even fit the two doors in my frame. That's how big this entrance is. And here's how it looks on the other side of those doors. And there's a look at the interior. Amazing. And then finally, the Big Thunder Suite. Cool. I like that. I like that a lot. It's just like in a completely different world. There's the restroom. Fantastic. Oh, and by the way, these rooms go for something between, depending on which room you get, between $2,000 and $4,000 per night. Ouch. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Thanks for watching our tour of the e-ticket lounge and the Disneyland Hotel, the Adventure Tower. Thanks for watching. Please take a minute, if you haven't already, to subscribe to our channel. It would mean a lot to us. And also, if you could share this with your friends, on your various social media outlets, etc. Like the video, and we'll see you next time, guys. Fresh Baked! We've got lots more videos for you to see, so grab a churro and check out some of our other videos and have your mind blown by how much fun we're having. We truly are the best of Disney Bake Fresh Daily. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Fresh Baked!